Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Duzen with New Hope Chiropractic. Recently, I've been asked a question by someone who has a child that suffers from bedwetting. How can chiropractic help with bedwetting issues? Well, it's an important question because chiropractic actually can help with bedwetting safely and naturally. Approximately 5 to 7 million kids in the U.S. wet their bed. 10 to 15% of kids wet the bed until age 6. Bedwetting often leaves parents scratching their heads and digging into their wallets in search of solutions. A lot of the children experiencing enuresis, as it's called, the official diagnosis given to the inability to control urination, live with embarrassment and hopelessness when many forms of intervention do not provide a solution. So chiropractic offers hope and delivers unique results to many kids suffering from consistent bedwetting. This struggle brings embarrassment and frustration to parents and kids, and a mental and emotional burden adds to the extra laundry and impacts both relationships and a kid's self-esteem. Nocturnal enuresis does not classify as a major health concern, but certainly influences the way kids view themselves. A lot of studies show that just one bout of bedwetting per month causes a child's self-esteem to be significantly influenced. One of the most important aspects of all urinary function stems from open and clear lines of communication in the nervous system. Nerve receptors in the bladder recognize and trigger a warning when the bladder needs to be emptied, but urinary control involves a lot more than just brain and bladder nerve receptors. Alignment and mobility in the spinal vertebrae influence communication between the brain, the bladder, and other important organs. Miscommunication between the brain and bladder alter your body's ability to know when to urinate and when to contract the muscles that allow a person to control urination. Most bedwetting during the night occurs because kids don't recognize their need to urinate. The nervous system triggers recognition of the body's alert system, and then chiropractic care keeps lines of communication open and helps struggling children overcome bedwetting issues. Improving movement and alignment in the spine ensures that the bladder can properly send alarm signals to the brain, and this helps kids contract muscles and wake up before losing bladder control. Chiropractic focuses on the cause of functional issues in the body. Long-term benefits occur for those suffering from enuresis and other elements because chiropractic helps to heal and improve performance in the body. Top medical interventions for bedwetting involve setting alarms and taking medications that reduce the amount of urine production. Some interventions even involve taking antidepressants, believe it or not. Chiropractors don't focus on the bladder. Nervous system care improves communication between the brain and the body by restoring proper spinal alignment and motion. And then research done on children suffering with bedwetting showed that those receiving chiropractic adjustments significantly reduced the number of wet nights, with many transitioning out of the bedwetting stage soon thereafter. Spinal misalignments often interfere with nervous system function without any presence of pain too. Cavities, high blood pressure, and spinal misalignments usually become debilitating before making their presence known. Proactive health care ensures that the body performs optimally, and then evaluating a child's nervous system for interference begins with a trip to the chiropractor, and then removing interference and promoting proactive care in children who are suffering from this presents a permanent solution to bedwetting and countless other childhood ailments. So remove anxiety and embarrassment from the home by removing the stress on every child's spine. Chiropractic really works, and it's something that we can help with. So if you know somebody who's got bedwetting issues, you have a child with bedwetting issues, or friends and family with kids with bedwetting issues, give us a call or contact us through our website at newhopechiropractic.com, and we'll be happy to help. Again, that's newhopechiropractic.com. Have a healthy day.